Yo, what's happening here, everyone? It's Mohit, and welcome back to Mohit Studios. And this is Mohit. I'm taking you on a journey through this special app called Wondershare Filmora, an editing app that is a video editing app. So, what is basically video editing? It is like a unique fusion of all the photos, audios, texts, media, everything together to form the video. A kind of a super excellent, fantastic, mind blowing video that you always wanted. Well, well, let's get started. So, to get started with, there's an option called import. You can usually double click this option if you want to get this import window. You can tell, and once you get this thing, let's look for some pictures to get started with. Click pictures. If you want to pick one, it's not a problem. But if you want to pick many, you just have to do like this. Shift and open. Feeling like you're pulling one photo, being into this thing all the timeline is not worth it doing. Just pull all the images together in this way, which we call it the timeline. There you go, all videos on a timeline. After the images, the next thing is what shall we take? I've kind of something like this. What is it? Here it is. Since the content is usually downloaded, you have to wait for a few seconds. This is frustrating. Usually, this is what happens. Finally it has worked. I think like you should draw it from the middle, the back, whatever. Let's play and see how it has come. Press it. Okay, sometimes you might experience lag while doing video editing. This happens to me because I'm using kind of a old laptop which however works well. But if your laptop is good, then you won't feel like that. Okay, forget about that. Next is the titles. So they'll give you titles will give you kind of a intro or an outro, whatever you call it. So you'll have to drag this thing, applying some pressure on your keypad, I mean mouse or whatever it is. So what do we have? Advanced edit. No. Now it came. So you can edit like this. And to confirm, you have to click the OK button. Here it is. Kind of, you can go back. But if you feel your video doesn't give so much appeal, then don't worry. You can always use something called transitions. So the option is right after the titles. Anything will be fine as long as you think it will fit the video. So what do we click? What do we click? I say this. That's why they gave us two squares instead of one. Fine. How did they do it? Okay, let's study this again. Now I got it. Again, transitions will also work like magic. You just click all the videos by hitting the shift button, and if you want to have one single animation for the entire video, means fine, that option applies. So click, hold all the videos by pressing shift and the click button, choose the animation, and ta-da, you'll get it all for all videos. Kind of worth, but if you want to have one animation for one video, then you have to do like this. You click one photo, click some animation, might look a hectic task, but it will be worth it for those who like different animations, or I mean different transitions. Okay, let's see how this goes. And I'm again reminding you, it will lag a bit, but after we export the video, that is something I'll explain in the end of this tutorial, I will show you how better it looks. That's my promise. After transitions, coming to effects. Effects are like transitions, but they'll give your video more charm. Kind of, this might be optional, but they come in the timeline, don't they? Okay, so where do they go? I'm not so sure about how effects go, but you can always check other videos about how they do, because all that I'm just doing is kind of a tutorial, just a basic tutorial on video editing. And with this we can come to the other parts, elements. These also are like effects only, but they kind of come into the timeline of the same period as that of the images. And when I mean nothing much. Next, split screen. This is the last and the final part, entire thing of Wondershare Filmora 2 that I am showing today. If you do a split screen, that means you can load more than one video in one frame. And by the meaning of frame, I mean this one, this black screen which you see. This is where your final video will look like once you export it. And as I have reminded back then also, exporting is something I'm going to teach by the end of this video. So do stay tuned to it. And what do we do? Split screen, right? Yeah, split screen. So you can click this. And split screen means well, split screen seems to be kind of advanced to me, so we'll take care of that later. So for now, all that I've decided to concentrate for this video on my video editing tour around Wondershare Filmora is just the basics, adding the images, text, audio, and all that stuff. So with this, we are now going to export the video. So exporting means we are going to take this content all out of the video editor, and now we are going to export it back to the computer. There are default locations. But they look different. Okay. This is strange. Okay, leave it. I'll just kind of log in. So now it's time for the exporting. So now we got a name as well, and there's the file location where the video will go. If you want to change, you can change. If you don't want, keep it as it is. You can export in any way: local, device, YouTube, Vimeo, or DVD. For local, it's only your computer. Device, another device. YouTube, you need to connect your Wondershare with YouTube account. Vimeo, same as YouTube. And DVD, that means you'll have to follow that burning a disk process. But I'll choose local by the way. So it's time to click export. Okay, usually when this ends, sometimes you'll get a survey as well, because that's a very popular video editor across the world. Strange. There will be an option called one done. Three options are there. Sound reminder. So after the video is done, some sound will come and it means your video is ready to watch. Shut down computer. After your video is done, immediately the laptop will shut down. Do nothing. Nothing will be done after your video is done. So I choose do nothing. Okay, let's wait now for the video to completely convert. is ready, and now it's time to show it up to you all. Let's hope this works. I could have paid some more bucks to have removed this watermark, but it's a free plan, so nothing could be done, and plus I couldn't pay. But anyways, the video came out super well. This is how we do video editing in Wondershare Filmora. Many other video editing apps are there, but I trust Wondershare Filmora because the quality of video editing is very much great. Even though it consumes a lot of data, it's worth it. I'm telling you, it's worth it. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel. And you can also try Wondershare Filmora one day to try and edit your videos. Bye everyone.